Hello, you're through to Ian Petrie here, and I'm going to actually talk to you about motion sensor, light sensing and sound sensing triggers. Well, it's an unusual time of year, you know, we're all stuck in because of this coronavirus, so hopefully you're all staying safe. So I'm just trying to occupy my time a little bit so I don't go stir crazy with things I can do whilst at home. Okay, so this is one of the things. This is really good for shooting things like having a glass with water in it and dropping something in it and getting a splash, or you can do it with paint, capturing lightning shots, to, you know, like fireworks as well, or even just triggering your lights with a sound. Okay, so there's got this one off Amazon. Called Mic Nova. It doesn't have any other versions from this one, of course. So first of all, you've got your light sensitivity, the side here. So you can scroll left or right depending on the sensitivity you want. You turn it all the way around, and you've got your sound sensitivity. Yeah. On the top here, I don't know if you can see it. So I've got top one is motion. Middle is sound, and bottom is light, and then you've got an on and an off button. It's really as simple as that. So we're just going to whack it on there. You do get this adapter if you want to put more stuff on there, but I've never used it, to be honest. You get your plug in, you plug it in there, and then you plug it into the top port, the GPS port. Yeah, like that. It's all in there. Okay. So I've got no memory card on this because I no longer use this. I haven't used this camera for 8 years or so, because I use a Nikon Z6, and before that I used a Nikon D750. So this is one I handed down to my son, to be honest, but it shows you the trick. So first of all, so I've got it on motion now. Okay, and in theory I should be able to just do that and it will fire away. Okay, now it is trying to fire, but as I've got no memory card, it's not triggering on that one. Okay, and we're on to sound now, so let me just turn up the sound. Okay, so as you can see, there's a light at the top there, and you've got to get it connecting with the ambient sound first. So you turn it until that light pretty much goes off, and now it will trigger. It is trying to trigger at the back, but again I've got no memory card on there, so it's not actually going to fire. Okay, I no longer have memory cards for these cameras. As you can see, there's no memory card in there. And then light is pretty much the same. This is going to represent your fireworks. And trying to trigger again, so it's got used to the ambient light. See? It's trying to fire. Yeah? Okay. But that's as simple as that is. Okay, hope you do like it, this video. If you do, give us a thumbs up, leave any comments. Please do just subscribe and click the notification bell to get future content. There are many other tutorials on my channel, from how I take waterfall photography to night light trails with cars, as well as stars. So hopefully this will keep you a little bit entertained for just a little bit whilst you're stuck in, and doesn't make you go stir crazy. But until then, stay safe. Okay, we've got to look after each other, keep shooting, and hopefully we'll get through this without too much difficulty. Alright, take care, bye bye.